teenagers, welcome back to that YouTube market.
But I'm gonna say, no, it's just the kid for this for gonna be on here because
The video started.
but using the borax.
Yeah. Okay, so we just microwave slimes, and this is what turned out, but we are going to show you how to microwave slime. Basically, you just put slime in the microwave, bada bing, bada boom. No, but we're going to show you the results of a actually just microwave slime. So, she's going to go put her slime in the microwave.
Wait, let me get it.
After it gets off of her hands, which it's coming off of mine pretty easily. Just touch the slime. There you go. Just touch the slime like this.
That's what I'm doing.
Quickly. Okay, go microwave your slime and we'll show you the result.
30 seconds?
Uh-huh.
Okay, I did not click one on here.
What is that?
Reset. Okay, I was just clicking that. See this, guys? This is amazing.
I made this one.
Sick.
We're going to do breakfast and see how far we can stretch it for an hour.
4, 3,
Come here.
2, 1. It's stinging.
30 seconds later.
30 seconds later.
I'm going to start it. Oh, it's sticky.
Because I just freaking...
Show them the result.
Oh.
Yeah, show them the result.
Oh, God.
Okay.
Okay, you must have seen that.
That is the result of a pre-mixed slime, and it's hot. Very hot.
Yes, very hot.
So do not microwave slime. It turns sticky and hot.
If
But it does turn like super cool, like marshmallowy. But don't do fluffy slime. That's where we went wrong. We put in fluffy slime, and that turned out like a liquid, not a solid anymore.
Okay, stop.
Trying to get it off with the spoon, because this is my spoon. I need this spoon.
Just give me it.
Okay, this is our slime. Okay, like I said, at the end of the video, I'm going to drink borax. Well, we showed you the result of pre-mixed microwave slime. So guess what I'm going to do now? Drink borax. This is our borax solution, and we know it's our borax solution because we put red on the cap to make sure that it was our borax solution. So, let's do this.
Look what she got, you guys.
I feel funny. Is it getting hot in here?
No, that's me. It must just be you.